Climate change is the greatest challenge faced by the world right now, and over the next decade. Due to this, more and more countries are consciously making efforts to switch to 100% clean energy. Let's try to imagine this transition in a virtual city model we've built called Zero City, where we want to move away from fossil fuels toward renewable energy for electricity. At U-City, we perform simulations of what it would look like to switch to 100% clean energy as fast as possible. By creating a digital version of the city and using live energy mix data to simulate the energy flow of different power plants inside a game engine. So, the first step is to reduce carbon emissions in the city, which can be achieved by incentivizing the use of electricity everywhere possible. Residents replace their cars, furnaces, ovens, etc. with their electric counterparts. But of course, it is impossible to completely do away with existing fuel-powered vehicles and appliances so quickly. To offset these carbon emissions and greenhouse gas emissions, we use carbon-capturing devices that capture carbon dioxide from the flue gases after combustion of biofuels, compress it into liquid form, and decompose it in the bedrock. This results in a significant reduction in greenhouse emission. Now, Zero City's CO2 emissions from transportation and buildings are very slim. But what about the fossil fuel-powered electric grid? Let us look at the energy grid of Zero City. Currently, it is powered by a mix of natural gas, coal, nuclear energy, and renewables like wind and solar energy. We get the exact energy mix values of the grids by calling APIs that are set up by energy companies specifically to monitor this information. These electric grids are huge. But by determining the exact energy mix and localizing each grid, we break down the percentage of energy produced by renewable or non-renewable sources and optimize this information using our simulation to get the best possible outcomes for our climate problems. As the city will need to shift away from natural gas and coal and toward renewable energy. We simulate the installation of more solar and wind plants that generate energy equal to the energy production of natural gas and coal. Now, we can retire the non-renewable energy sources completely. U-City helps city municipalities understand and make better climate change decisions, and hence simplifies the transition to 100% clean energy.